Peterborough Brush Street Police Station. Final part's getting demolished. Alright, mate. Floor was built better than the roof. Concrete floor and that roof was all flimsy. Final stages of the police station getting ripped down by the excavator over there, or demolition excavator. There's the South Bank project over there. The Fletton Quays. It's quite a big construction project going on over there. Now the front face is coming off. Nice. Almost all gone. Life goes on. Yeah, innit? Yeah, yeah. Right, see you, mate. Right, I'll end up putting some music on that because we was just talking. I'll cut now. So I've been trying to get you out of the way, lads, you know what I mean? So trying to move out of the way, yeah. Well, I'll cut that one there and I'll probably start another one in a minute. Old Peterborough Police Station. It's going to be a premiere in.